Hey friends, today we'll open the Acer Nitro V16 AI with codename ANV16-61. First, we need to unscrew 10 screws on the bottom cover. Before that, of course, make sure to shut down the laptop and disconnect it from any power source. We use a Japanese industrial standard cross-point screwdriver. Unlike the Phillips standard slotted screwdriver, this one allows us to control the tightening and loosening force without damaging the screw head. Its tip is weakly magnetized, but it fits so tightly that the screw almost locks into place and remains unharmed during removal or installation. After unscrewing the screws, we start opening the cover from this point. We don't need a plastic prying tool or anything similar. It's easy to do. It just requires a bit of balance between courage, attention, and precision. We managed to open it without damaging or breaking any plastic clips on the lid. This is what the laptop looks like with the bottom cover removed. The laptop has 2 RAM slots, 2 SSD slots, 2 cooling fans, and a battery that lasts for up to 10 hours of offline video playback. Now we're going to show you how to remove and upgrade the RAM and SSDs. Removing the RAM from its slot is quite easy. The laptop has 2 DDR5 slots for dual channel. Next, we unscrew the screw securing the SSD. You can install up to a 2 TB SSD in each of the 2 available slots. Both SSD slots are M.228.0 PCIe Gen 4x4 and are compatible with M.2 NVMe SSDs. This means you can use high-speed drives for optimal performance. The battery is a lithium polymer unit. To remove it, we only need to unscrew 2 screws. Again, I use a JAS screwdriver, size number 1. Number 1 not only refers to its size, but also to its place in my personal ranking of the most suitable screwdrivers. With a plastic tool, we disconnect the battery connector. If you don't mind being a bit more casual and doing it without gloves, it takes just a second. But even with gloves, it's not much harder. The battery has a nominal voltage of 15.5 volts and a capacity of almost 5 ampere hours. It stores 74 watt-hours of electrical energy. For everything you need to know about the Acer Nitro V16 AI, check out our in-depth review on laptopmedia.com. You'll find the link below the video. Thanks for being with me and have a great day.